Namaskar everyone, my name is Tulika and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you to the Bhangi. I have made a video about the basic Bhangis of Odissi that you can find here. One of those Bhangis is Tribhanga. So this video will specifically teach you what is actually Tribhanga. First of all, I'll tell you how exactly you can do the pose. Then I'll discuss why is it called so. Bring your right foot forward so that the heel of the right foot is in the center of the inner lining of the left foot. This is for right Tribhanga. The distance between your feet should be a little more than the length of your fist. And in this position, you sit just like you sit in choker position. You repeat the same for the left hand side. While sitting, make sure that your entire body weight is on one leg. So for left Tribhanga, your weight is on your right leg so that you'll be able to move your left leg. Repeat similarly for right Tribhanga. Sticking to the right Tribhanga, now I will teach you the torso movement. So for right Tribhanga, make sure that your torso is on the right hand side, keeping your shoulder in the same level. Now the leg along with this torso gives an asymmetry to your entire body posture, which is not there in the choker. The third part of the Tribhangi is your head tilt. So for the right Tribhanga, you tilt your head towards your left. Just remember it should be opposite to the torso. So if your torso is on your right side, you tilt your head towards your left and point your eyes towards your right. Now we are done with the legs, the torso, the head tilt and the eyes. The last part of the Tribhanga is your hands. So you put both of your hands on your waist, and for the right Tribhanga, slide slowly your right hand towards your thigh and keep it in the center of the thigh. I mean, it completely depends on your build. So the catch here is that your elbow is pointing outwards perfectly for both of your hands. So finally you're done with the Tribhanga, and you can do the similar thing for the left hand side. When you break the words, you will get Tri and Bhangi. Tri means three and Bhangi means, the postures, or here I would refer it to separations. So three separations. So the three Bhangis are one near your head, one near your torso and one near your knee. So that is why this is called Tribhangi. The Tribhangi is popularly associated with the letter S. So I will give you a task now. While I do the Tribhanga, I want you to pause the video for some time and spot the letter S in the body and write down in the comment section. Those who have spotted it, very good. Let me tell you. Let's start with the top of my head and then follow my finger. Now I'm going to demonstrate in front of you some of the very beautiful poses of Odissi that involve Tribhanga. You can really try these poses and post it on your social media with the hashtag of the name of the pose that I'm going to tell you, and don't forget to tag me. I'll repost it on my page. Here are my handles to follow. First very common pose is Chibuka Mandana. This mudra is called Sukachanchu. Keep it on your cheek and make sure that your elbow is up and the other hand is on the top of your head, Hamsasya Mudra. And the pose is called Chibuka Mandana. And this is right side. Next one is Taranga Shrita. Take Pataka Hastas. Keep one Pataka Hasta in Choka, another one parallel to it. Like this, and sit in Tribhanga. Next one is Chayanika, where you make Hamsasya Mudra and place the palms opposite to each other and move them diagonally outward, and then sit in Tribhanga. When you're doing right Tribhanga, your right hand is up, and when you're doing left Tribhanga, your left hand is up. Mukti Mayurasya. Both the hands Mayura Hasta, and you sit in the Tribhanga position. So when you do the right Tribhanga, your right hand is down and your left hand is in choka. Note that your elbow always points outward. So this is all about Tribhanga pose. I'm really excited to teach you all the steps of Tribhanga. Stay tuned, take care of your health, keep dancing. See you in my next video. Namaste. Some reels and videos related to Tribhanga are posted in the description of the video. Kindly check them.